For years, AI belonged to the giants, massive corporations, endless data, dedicated data science teams, server rooms humming 24 hours a day. And if you were a small business, you were told one thing: you're too small to compete. You don't have the data. You don't have the budget. You don't have the engineers. And for a while, that was true. But it isn't anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how small businesses can use the exact same class of AI models as Fortune 500 companies without big data, without massive budgets, and without hiring a data scientist. The rules have changed. And if you understand this shift, you gain leverage. The big lie about AI, let's start with the myth. The myth is this: you need proprietary big data to use AI effectively. That idea came from an earlier era of machine learning. 5 to 10 years ago, if you wanted serious AI capability, you had to collect enormous datasets, clean and label them, build custom models, train them on expensive hardware, maintain the infrastructure. Only the giants could afford that. AI was a capital game, but something fundamental changed. We moved from building models to accessing models. That shift is everything.
What actually changed? The breakthrough wasn't that small businesses suddenly got more data. The breakthrough was foundation models, large language models, vision models, multimodal AI systems. These models were trained on massive global datasets by the largest tech companies on Earth. They absorbed language patterns, images, behavior structures, context. And now you don't build them, you access them through APIs, through SaaS platforms, through AI-enabled tools. You're not training intelligence anymore. You're renting it. Let me say that again. You are not competing on who owns the most data. You are competing on who applies intelligence fastest. That levels the playing field. Intelligent automation. The first advantage. Let's make this practical. Where does this change show up for a small business? Automation. Not basic automation, intelligent automation. For example, instead of manually sorting emails, AI can classify them by urgency, topic, and intent, and even draft responses.
Instead of manually processing invoices, AI extracts line items, flags anomalies, and syncs with your accounting software. Instead of manually responding to website inquiries, AI chat systems can answer 70 to 80% of common questions instantly. That's not theory. That's available today. You don't need proprietary data to automate these workflows. You need access to models that already understand language and patterns. Think about what that means operationally. If you're a 5-person company, AI can give you the output capacity of 10, not by replacing people, by removing friction. Time saved becomes growth capacity. Customer support without the huge team. Let's talk customer experience. Large enterprises historically dominated here because they could afford massive support teams. Now, AI-powered assistants can handle FAQs, route complex issues, capture lead details, qualify prospects, book appointments, and they can do it 24/7. For a small business, that's transformational. Because response time is leverage. Speed converts. The first business that responds intelligently often wins. And you don't need 10 years of historical support transcripts to build that capability anymore. The intelligence is pre-trained. You simply deploy it.
Personalization. Without big data. Now here's where it gets interesting. Personalization used to require huge behavioral datasets. That's no longer true. Modern AI doesn't need your entire history to personalize. It needs signals, simple signals, website behavior, click paths, time on page, product views, basic CRM tags. That's enough to dynamically adjust messaging. Imagine, a visitor spends time on your premium service page. The website adapts its messaging slightly. The chatbot adjusts its opening question. The follow-up email sequence shifts tone. That's AI-driven personalization, without big data, just intelligent interpretation of small signals. And that's exactly why platforms like snowbots.com exist. Small businesses don't need to build AI infrastructure. They need intelligent layers on top of what they already use. Chatbots, SEO optimization, website intelligence, without hiring a machine learning team. The future isn't building AI, it's embedding it. The cost myth. Let's kill another assumption. AI is expensive. Custom AI departments are expensive. Infrastructure is expensive.
But subscription-based AI tools, they're accessible. For less than the cost of a single employee per month, a small business can integrate AI-powered chat, automated email sequencing, content generation, CRM intelligence, SEO optimization, predictive lead scoring. That's enterprise-level capability, without enterprise overhead. This isn't about replacing humans. It's about multiplying output. A lean team with AI can outperform a larger team without it, and that changes competitive dynamics. The strategic advantage of being small, here's the irony. AI actually favors small businesses right now. Why? Because small businesses move faster, less bureaucracy, fewer approval layers, faster experimentation. If you decide today to integrate intelligent automation into your website, you can implement within days. A large corporation might take 6 months of internal approvals. AI rewards agility. And small businesses are built for agility. This is the window. The early adopters among small and mid-sized businesses will quietly compound advantage. Faster response times, smarter customer engagement, better lead qualification, more efficient operations. All powered by rented intelligence. Scaling without growing overhead. Think about scaling differently. Traditional scaling meant more customers, more staff, more overhead. AI changes that equation. More customers, smarter systems, controlled overhead. When automation absorbs repetitive workload, growth becomes less painful. You don't need to double payroll to double output. You design intelligent workflows. And once they're built, they scale with minimal friction. That's how small businesses start behaving like enterprises. The future is AI-first operations. We're moving into a world where businesses aren't just using AI occasionally. They're structured around it. AI-first operations means AI every inbound inquiry is intelligently categorized. Every lead is scored automatically. Every website visitor is engaged contextually. Every repetitive workflow is automated. This isn't science fiction. It's infrastructure. And the barrier to entry is lower than most people realize. Because the heavy lifting, the model training, the language understanding, the pattern recognition has already been done. You're plugging into it.
The real competitive edge. So if intelligence is rented and tools are accessible, what's the real competitive advantage now? Speed, execution speed, integration speed, experimentation speed. The businesses that win won't be the ones with the biggest data sets. They'll be the ones who apply AI systematically across their operations. Not randomly, not as a gimmick, but as a strategic layer. And that's the shift most small businesses are still underestimating. They think AI is optional. It isn't. It's operational leverage. Final thought. Big companies had the advantage because they owned the data. Now the intelligence is accessible. The only advantage left is how quickly you move. Small businesses don't need big data anymore. They need clarity. They need the right tools. And they need to start. Because while some businesses are still debating whether AI matters, others are quietly embedding it into everything and compounding advantage. The question isn't whether small businesses can use AI, it's whether they will.
If you're building something and want to understand how AI can integrate into your business model, explore snobbots.com. Snobbots empower every website with artificial intelligence. Your all-in-one platform for chatbots, search engine optimization, and website intelligence. The rules have changed. Now it's your move. If you found this valuable, stay, like, subscribe, and follow for more AI insight.